you guys, this thing smells absolutely amazing. You would never guess. And pretty much everything we're gonna need to cook this iguana, we have it right here. Got our pot, got our pan, got our stove, got our oil, got the iguana meat well seasoned. Let's get right to it. In the bag, and I just figured out, just add just a little bit more seasoning, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit.
Hey, a little extra seasoning never hurt, Bash.
No.
See, without you, man, we'd be in trouble right now, boy. But look at this, guys. Guys, look at this right now. Dylan is working the stove. Bash is working the seasoning, y'all. We got everything under control over here at the Iguana, man. These boys are taking care.
As you guys can see, we got our first iguana leg, or iguana wings. Drop it right in the frying pan. Oh, there we go. Now it's time to get it cracking. I can't believe we're doing this either, but we just dropped some iguana wings in the frying pan. Guys, this smells absolutely amazing right now. I honestly can't wait to try this. I really can't wait. I think this is actually gonna taste pretty good.
Oh, look at that one. That one nice.
Alright guys, so basically we have our first batch already done waiting on the side here. Got our second batch going right into the pot. About another. Alright guys, so not gonna lie, everything is smelling pretty good right now.
See,
Iguana, golden brown, golden sexy brown. Do you see that? Everybody's just sitting around waiting to try the iguana. RJ, you ready, bro? What are your thoughts on this, bro?
The only way I'm gonna try it is if someone eats it and tells me how it tastes. If it doesn't taste bad, they said, I give it a try.
Okay, so you're not gonna be the first one to take a bite then. Roberto, my boy Roberto. So what are your thoughts on this? On this fried iguana?
It looks amazing.
How does it smell?
To be honest, it looks amazing. It smells amazing. I'm curious on the taste. They say it tastes like chicken with a little bit of fish in it. So I mean, I think it's good. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see.
For sure.
You gotta tell me how it is, guys.
Dog.
You got a body with everybody.
I need to
All
get
right.
a thumbnail. Hold on one second.
Alright guys. Alright, so we're getting ready to count down and try this iguana. You ready?
It smells real good.
3, 2, 1.
Yo, that is. Hold up. Dang, that looks tender, man.
Hold up.
Yo, I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. It's pretty good.
Yeah?
Like, honestly, I'm.
This is really good.
Look how tender this thing
This
is.
is falling right off the bone, y'all.
Look how tender that is.
Yeah?
It's not as bad as I thought.
It's the real deal. It's good?
It's actually pretty decent.
No way.
Got him digging in.
What? What'd you say, RJ? Pretty decent.
That says a lot coming from RJ. He's one of the most pickiest eaters out of the group. Oh my gosh.
What do you think, iguana man? What's your?
I don't know. I'm watching y'all eat because I'm just enjoying watching y'all eat. Go ahead, Ralph.
Bro.
Go ahead, Ralph.
What?
For real?
What'd you say? How'd it taste? It's pretty good? Oh man. Guys, look how tender that thing is. Look at that. Look at that meat. Yeah, I'm trying to tell you guys, bro.
Iguana man.
Guys.
Take a bite for the camera.
Ralph going in on the whole thing. Ralph going in.
Little chicken right there. For real.
I had a little piece.
Look at my piece versus yours.
Go ahead, there's more. There's more right there. Take another piece.
They too big.
They're too big?
This
Nah.
look like a foot. This one got the foot right there. You can still see.
Guys, it actually tastes really good.
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna say it tastes like chicken.
Is this
It
mine?
smells
It's
like
like a
fried
lemon,
chicken.
like a cross between some two meats, but with lemon. But we didn't put no lemon in.
Nice thick layer. You want some of this?
Slather it on, man. seen with.
Anybody else want some of this?
Here you go, bro. Right here, bro.
How much?
Go ahead, slather it on, man. We doing it one time for the one time.
Guys, I'll put some on mine too. All right, guys. This is the second piece of iguana meat with. What? You want your second piece? He's like, yeah.
I ain't eating nothing.
Make sure we document this. Ralph is on his second piece of iguana. So pretty much everybody else is on their second piece. Look. Look at this. This is crazy.
Done with my second piece.
Way better with the hot sauce.
Guys, so we're gonna end it here. I'm sweating right now from that sauce. How many pieces of iguana meat did you eat?
3.
I ate this is my third one. He went in for a couple. I lost count. He wants some more. Guys, this is a little bit out of the box. We tried something new today. I'm sorry I'm sweating right now, but it actually came out really good. Really, really good. So we're gonna end it off here, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys on the next episode.